Hello everyone, my name is Alex. Today I want to discuss an important topic, rig animation in Unity. Rig animation is a key tool for creating movements and emissions for objects in a game or simulation in Unity. This tool allows you to create realistic motion for characters, objects, and even environments in your projects. It allows assigning special bone structures, known as rigs, to objects and controlling their movement animation through scripts and keyframes. Rig animation in Unity enables the creation of complex movements that add realism and depth to your game or simulation. This can include character animations, adding gestures, emotions, and interactions with the environment. This tool opens up endless possibilities for creating engaging stories and exciting games in the world of Unity. Therefore, rig animation in Unity is an extremely important tool for developers and game developers looking to create an exciting and interesting game. It's worth your attention. Let's set up rig animation in our project. To do this, click on Window Package Manager in the top panel. In the Package Manager, select Unity Registry, and in the search field, type Animation Rigging. Then click Install. Great, now we have the Animation Rigging package installed in our project. The next step will be to set up our character. To do this, select the model and click Animation Rigging in the top panel. Then choose Bone Renderer Setup. Next, you need to reopen Animation Rigging and click Rig Setup. Great, now we have a character with bones, and in the Bone Renderer components we have the ability to change the color of the bones. Our next task will be to implement head tracking for a specific object. To do this, create an empty object in the created rig and name it I'm Head. Next, attach the multi-constraint component to it. In the constraint object field, assign the head bone of the character. Adjust the aim axis and up axis according to your needs. Next, we need to create cameras for the character and the child objects. Create an empty object and name it Emma. Next, in the multi-aim constraint component, add create subject to the source objects field. In the settings class, adjust the offset according to your needs. Set the min limit and max limit to limit the rotation of the object. Run and observe the results. Wonderful! The head moves relative to the camera view, but to achieve more dynamic camera movements, we need to set the back tilts taking into account the videographer's view. Let's create two empty objects as child elements of the ridge object that was created earlier. Assign these objects aim spline of torso and aim spline 3. Apply the multi-aim constraint component to these objects, similar to aim head. But this time, in the constraint object field, assign the bones according to the object name, namely spine 2 and spine 3. Also change the weight value on both of these objects from 1 to 0.1. This will help us avoid overly strong back tilts relative to the video camera. That's it, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button.